ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ 2020. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ 2020 ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಐಡಿಗೆ ನೀವು DM ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ 100% ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು MBBS ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ MBBS ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನೋಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಇದು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಈ ವಿಷಯ, ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬರೋಣ. The Board of Governors is suppression of MCI after considering various representation received from student colleges university, raising various queries about reopening of medical colleges on conduct of university examination, and the opinion of Vice Chancellor provided during the meeting through video conference held on 16/7/2020 decide as under. It is advised that no batch should be permitted to move the next level of MBBS course without an examination. The colleges should aim to complete the first MBBS course including practicals, demonstrations, etc. within 2 months of reopening college as when may permitted by the central state UG government. Thereafter the MBBS university exam should be completed as soon as possible, preferably within a month. The pending supplementary examination for final year MBBS students which were scheduled during the first half of 2020 should be conducted as soon as possible, as the students are waiting appear for the examination having completed the course once already and need to join, not to have wait for formal reopening for the colleges. Such students will be joining the medical colleges hospital for doing internship just after passing final year exam. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಈಗಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಐಡಿಗೆ DM ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ 100% ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಯಾರು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ. Regarding the conduct of second, third and final year MBBS examination for 2020, the time required for completion of the course would depend on the timing of the reopening of the medical colleges. It is anticipated that for the first MBBS student, this student will also need 2 months to complete remaining course curriculum. The training, consequently, the university exam for second, third, part 1 MBBS students may have to be consequently the university exams of second and third part 1 MBBS student may have to delayed by the 2 or 3 months beyond their scheduled dates. It is further advised that relaxation provided for the conduct of final year postgraduate examination in terms of the appointment of examiners and the exam pattern would also be applicable for the conduct of MBBS university examination. This relaxation are retried as follows. Appointment of examiners. Universities must in first instance try to adhere to the existing norms regarding external examiners as provided the regulation for graduate medical educations 1997 part 1 class 13 and part 2 class 11.2.9 for batches admitted from 2019-20 ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಏನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, MBBS ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ 99% ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಥರನೇ ಇದೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ MBBS ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಈಗಲೇ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿದು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ the university is advised to follow the following option with respect to the eternal examiners for MBBS examination, considering the risk satisfaction of the areas where the medical colleges institutions are located. If eternal examinations are not available for outside the state due to the pandemic, external examination to be selected from different university in the state. These external examinations are physically present at the venue of examination. In case of opinion above it is not possible, half of the external examination should be selected to the examination. ಹಾಗೆ in case of option it is not also possible, both the external and internal examination couldn't be taken. In this regard is noted the regulation 12 and the regulation 11.2 part 2 for batches admitted from 2090 batch. The GMER 1997 provides the conduct of university examination. It is stated that COVID-19 pandemic, most medical colleges have expressed their difficulty in adhering to the existing regulation to examine the student, especially in clinical subjects, since the objective of the practical examination ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಈಗಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.